Papa, to.
Hindi kaya lang naman nagkakaroon kasi mga halos 2 weeks tayong wala. Diba? Isipin mo kung nandito tayo, di malamang di tayong kidding. Eh?
Uy! Kuya, nag-list ako ng carrot. Uy! 235! Oh my God! 235 carrot seeds!
Tigil niya na yan, Kus. Marcus.
Kasi umaspera ko.
Yes.
But,
Ayaw niyo
Papa,
ba umalis? Ayaw niyo ba umalis?
wait, but,
Ba't what?
si Jandel,
Din. Ba't ayaw mo?
I'm still waiting. Bro. Oh, let's go, Jandel! You are everyone's favorite. Let's go. Restock the sugar apple seeds. I made it. It's the meron ka pong Mama, nag-restock po, Mama, mawawala na po ulit po, Mama, yung burning bud. May basic ko rin po rin. God gate ko rin po rin. Ayoko, dito lang ako. Okay. Bro, what the Sigma? What the Sigma? Let's go, Jandel. We all love you. Jandel, let's go. My bone blossom.
Kus, kuya.
Papa, 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 my discommutation. Let's go.
Malaki ang mga mutation.
Kailangan po namin yun. Papa,
Kuya, pero kuya, ba times up na tayo eh? Enough na. Sila understand.
This is the best day ever.
Yes, nakadalawang burning bud ka ko. So okay na yun. That's enough.
Papa, it's raining tacos. I'm gonna plant my burning bud first.
Seeds na.
I'm still waiting for the seeds. Oh my God, Jandel, please restock another prismatic. Let's go. Restock yung carrot. Bro, did the carrot just restock? Oh my God. Hey, Jandel. Just do this every other Saturday.
Kaya din nag-Saturday pala ulit.
Oh. It's 3, 2, 1. Nothing good. Jandel, restock.
Okay, enough. Tara na.
Please.
Enough.
Goodbye, Jandel. See you next year.
Okay, bye.